This is Dr. B. Koteswar, Assistant Professor from Marri Laxman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management. Today I am going to give a lecture on inheritance from Java OOPS through Java subject. What is inheritance? Inheritance means acquiring the properties of one object from another object. So inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behavior of parent object. So in inheritance, two objects will be there. One object, for example, it is called parent object, and the second object, that is called child object. So child can acquire the properties of parent object. Child can acquire the properties of parent object. It means one can acquire the properties of another object is known as inheritance. So here it is an important part of OOPS object-oriented programming system. Inheritance concept is very important. And the idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create new classes that are built upon existing classes. And when you inherit from an existing class, you can reuse methods and fields of the parent class. That is possible. You can add new methods and fields in your current class also. Inheritance represents is a relationship which is also known as parent-child relationship. In inheritance, parent-child relationship is a relationship. Here I am going to discuss about first what is class, what is superclass, and what is child class or subclass, and also I would like to discuss about extend keyword. So class, superclass, subclass, extend keyword. These four terms I am going to explain in detail here. So coming to the class, what is a class? Class is a blueprint. Class is a blueprint. A class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. So objects are created in a class. Class is nothing but a blueprint. Coming to the subclass or child class. Okay. Other name of subclass, child class is nothing but a subclass. It is a class which inherits the other class. It is also called as a derived class or extended class or child class So subclass is also called child class, extended class, derived class, and subclass, superclass. What is superclass? Other name of superclass is parent class. So superclass is the class from where a subclass inherits the features. It is also called base class or parent class. Here in inheritance concept, child can acquire the properties of parent. So here one keyword we are using in child class, that is extends keyword. The intention of the use of extends keyword is it indicates that you are making a new class that derives from the existing class. The meaning of extend is to increase the functionality. The meaning of the extend is increase the functionality. So here I will explain one simple example for the inheritance. Here I have taken one vehicle, one car. Here vehicle is called superclass, nothing but parent class, and car is nothing but subclass, nothing but child class. Here I have taken one parent class vehicle and one child class, that is car. Here I have taken one parent class, that is superclass, example is vehicle, and one child class, that is car. Here car extends vehicle. Here what is the meaning of car extends vehicle? Car extends vehicle. It means that car can acquire the properties of vehicle. Car can acquire the properties of vehicle. Here, vehicle is a parent class, car is the child class. If we use the keyword extends, car extends vehicle, it means that car can utilize the properties of car and as well as it can utilize the properties of vehicle. But vehicle can utilize the properties of only vehicle. So here with the help of one program, I explain the concept of inheritance in detail. Here, first I have taken first I have taken class, vehicle class. Class name is vehicle. Here I have written one method that is method name is wild engine. Here I am getting output system dot output dot println vehicle engine. I am getting output in parent class. Here vehicle is the example for parent class. Here vehicle is the example for parent class. Next, I have taken class car extends vehicle. Here, what is the meaning of this class car extends vehicle? Here, class car extends vehicle means this car can acquire the properties of vehicle and also it is having the properties of car. So here I have written car extends vehicle. Next, in child class also I have written a method. Method name is wide wheels, public wide wheels. Next here system dot out dot println I have to print one message that has car has four wheels. So in child class I am getting output is class has four wheels. In parent class I am getting vehicle engine. This is the output I have to get. So vehicle engine I have to get the output from the parent class and car has four wheels I have written in child class. Here I am writing main method that is public static void main string arguments. Here I have created one object here. I have created one object here. This is object car C equal to new car. Here what is car? It is the child class name. What is the child class name here? Here child class name is car. Here child class name is car. So car here C, small c, this small c is nothing but a reference variable. Whatever the object we are creating here, that object name is nothing but this c. Here new means here we are allocating memory for variables. Here we are allocating memory. Here new means we are allocating memory. And this car means again class name. So what is the formula to write the create the object is class name, reference variable, and new class name. Here first class name I have written, reference variable C I have taken, and new I have taken. New I have taken. Here class name I have taken. C is the reference variable I have taken. New keyword is taken and class name I have taken. Here I have written C dot engine. C dot engine. So engine method, where it is available engine method? This engine method is available in parent class. Engine method is available in parent class, but child class can access this parent class method. But child class can access this parent class method. That is nothing but inheritance. Here we have written car extends vehicle means car can acquire the properties of vehicle. So C dot engine means what is the output we have to get vehicle engine. So here we are getting vehicle engine is the output. Vehicle engine is the output we are getting. Actually vehicle engine is the output we have written in parent class, even though child class can utilize the properties of parent class. That's why we are getting output is this one. Next C dot wheels. Where this wheels method, it is in child class only. So in child class in wheels method, what is the output we are getting? Car has four wheels. So next output we are getting is car has four wheels. Car has four wheels. So this is about the explanation about inheritance concept with the help of block diagram, with the help of program, and this is the output. This is the output. Next. Next, I am going to discuss about types of inheritance. Types of inheritance. Here we have single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multiple inheritance, hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance. First, I will discuss about single inheritance. This is single inheritance. Okay, single inheritance. In single inheritance, only this class A nothing but parent class B nothing but child class. This is called parent class. Class A is nothing but parent class B is nothing but child class. Here, class B if you write class B extends class B can utilize the properties of class A. Class B can utilize the properties of class A and also class B and also class B. I will tell you for example. So this class A is nothing but parent, class B is nothing but child. If parent is having 5 acres of land, the only parent can access that land. After few years, his child purchased another 5 acres of land. At that time, child is having right to access these 10 acres of land. So, child can utilize the land which he has purchased and also he can access the land of his father. That is possible. But parent can access only 5 acres of land. Next, coming to multi-level inheritance. Coming to multi-level inheritance, here one parent class is there. Here class A, class B, class C. For example, it is grandfather, it is father, it is grandson. Okay, grandson. Class A nothing but grandfather, class B nothing but father, class C nothing but grandson. Here class A can having the properties of only class A, but class B can acquire the properties of class B and also class A and also class A. Coming to class C, grandson, this grandson or class C acquire the properties of class B and class A. Class B and class A and also is having the properties of class C. So here class A can acquire the properties of only class A, class B can acquire the properties of class A and class B, and class C can acquire the properties of class A and class B. This is called multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Next I am going to explain about hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance. So coming to the hierarchical inheritance, here class A is nothing but parent class and class B, class C are nothing but child classes or subclasses. Here class A can acquire the properties of only class A. Class A can acquire the properties of only class A, but class B can acquire the properties of class A and class B. Class B can acquire the properties of class A and class B. And also class C. Class C can acquire the properties of class A and class C. It can acquire the properties of class A, class C. It can acquire the properties of class A and class B. But class A can acquire the properties of only class A. This is called hierarchical inheritance. Next type, multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance is not supported in Java through class. So, through class, multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. Okay, but it is supported in Java with the help of interface. Okay, interface. Here, class A is nothing but parent class, Class B nothing but parent class. Class C is nothing but child class. Child class can acquire the properties of class A and class B. Here class C can acquire the properties of class A and class B. Next, hybrid. Hybrid means mixed. So it is having the combinations of single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multiple inheritance. If we combine any two of these, among these four, if we combine any two of the above four methods, that is nothing but hybrid inheritance. Check here class A, class B, class C. Up to this level, what is this inheritance? Hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance. This is up to this point, hierarchical inheritance. And below this, what is this inheritance? Multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. This is multiple inheritance. Combination of hierarchical and multiple inheritance is nothing but hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance. So here we have discussed about single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multiple inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. These are the five different types of inheritances are there in Java. These are the five different types of inheritance in Java. Next, we will go to programming for each one. Okay, first I will explain single inheritance. Single inheritance, I will explain with the help of program. So in single inheritance, I have taken class name is vehicle. First parent class name is vehicle. Here I have written a method and here I have written one output vehicle starts. It is the output I have to get in parent class. So inheritance means compulsory there should be parent class and child class. First I am taking parent class as vehicle, class name as vehicle. Next I am taking child class name as car. So here class car extends vehicle means child extends parent. Child extends parent. Here car extends vehicle means car can acquire the properties of vehicle. Car can utilize or acquire the properties of vehicle. So here in child class I have written system.output.println car drives. Car drives. So now I have taken another class and I have written main method here. Okay, public static void main string arguments. Next here I have created one object. Here I have created an object for the child class. If you see here, I have created object for the child class. What is the child class name? Child class name is car. So car capital CAR, capital C small ar. This car is nothing but child class name. This small car is nothing but reference variable. It is nothing but reference variable. New means already we have discussed. Now memory is allotted for this object. And this car is nothing but a main class name. Here car dot start. Car dot start. Where this start method is there? Parent class. Even though it is in parent class also, child can access the properties of parent because of inheritance. So we are getting car dot start means here we are getting vehicle starts. This is the output we are getting in child class because of inheritance concept. Inheritance concept we are getting this output in child class. Then car dot drives means car drives. Car drives. This is the output we are getting. Okay. This is the example for single inheritance. This is the example for single inheritance. This is the program and output for single inheritance. Next, I will explain about concept of multi-level inheritance. So, with the help of block diagram, I have explained about multi-level inheritance. Now, I will explain the concept of multi-level inheritance with the help of program and output. Here, multi-level means compulsory there should be more than two classes should be there. So, one is first class name is vehicle here. Second class name is car here. Third class name is electric car here. So this is, for example, it is grandfather, car means father, electric car means grandson. Here I have taken three class names. First one is vehicle, second one is car, third one is electric car. So in vehicle I have written one method, void start. In that method I have written vehicle starts. Okay, vehicle starts. Vehicle starts I have written in first class, that is grandfather. For example, it is grandfather class. Next, class car extends vehicle. Here class car extends vehicle. Here I have written method void drive is method in parent class. Next, system dot output dot out dot println car drives. Here how to get the output is car drives. So this is written in car class. Okay. Next, electric car class electric car extends car. It means previously we have discussed about class car extends vehicle. It means this car can extend the property, acquire the properties of vehicle and car. Vehicle and car. Car can acquire the properties of vehicle and car. Here I have written third class name electric car. Extends car. Extends car. Already car is having the properties of vehicle and car. Already car is having the properties of vehicle and car. So now the electric car extends car means this electric car can acquire the properties of this car properties and this vehicle properties. So here I have taken a method void charge. Here I have written one output electric car charging. Here I have written a main method and I have written one object is created for electric car. Here I have created object for electric car. E-car, here E-car is nothing but a reference variable. Electric car is the class name. New is the used to create a memory. So here E-car dot start means star method is in parent class. Star method, if you see the star method is in parent class. Even though this electric car can acquire the properties of parent class, so here I are getting output is vehicle starts. We are getting this output because this electric car can already acquired the properties of vehicle and car. Next, e-car dot drive. E-car drives we are getting. This output is also we are getting in electric car. Next, e-car dot charge. This output is also we are getting here. So here we are getting three outputs. Where in electric car? Okay. This is called multi-level inheritance. So till now we have discussed about single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance. Now we are going to discuss about hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, one parent class is there, vehicle, and here two child classes are there. One child class name is car, another child class name is electric car. Here I have written class car extends vehicle, car extends vehicle. Here I have written electric car extends vehicle. What it means? Car extends vehicle means car is having the properties of car and vehicle. What is the meaning of electric car extends vehicle? Means electric car can acquire the properties of vehicle and electric car. So here car is having the properties of car and vehicle. Electric car is having the properties of electric car and vehicle. So I have written here, I have created a method for car here. I have created one object. This is object I have created here. Okay. Here object car dot start means start is already in parent class. So we are getting, what is the output we are getting here? Car drives. Car dot drive means drive is in method is in car class. So we are getting vehicle starts and car drives because vehicle start is in parent class, car drives in car class. Next, I have created an object for electric car, e-car. This is the reference variable. So e-car dot start means start is available in parent class. So we are getting output is car drives. Next, e-car dot start. Start method is available in e-car dot charge. E-car dot charge. Charge is available in electric car class. So we are getting output is electric car charge. So here in hierarchical, okay, car can extend the properties of vehicle, and also electric car can extend the properties of vehicle. So in car class, for the car we are getting two outputs, and also for the electric car we are getting two outputs. Here I have written car. This is the class name. This is the reference variable. New is the memory allocation, and this car is the class name. Here also have created object for electric car. Here I have created object for electric car. Here I have created object for car. So this is about hierarchical inheritance in Java. Okay. So thank you everyone.